Hi, welcome to the Java Core Learning course by Example project, and today is day 11. I would like to show you how to find the biggest number between three numbers entered by the user over the keyboard in Java. Okay, so now let's get started. By following my demonstration, I will create a new class underneath of the main package, and I will name it is a luckiest number. Okay. Okay. Okay, here, so after the user enter three number from the keyboard, so we will do the comparison to check if the number one is greater than number two. So, and compare it with the number three, and after that we will display the luckiest number. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so now let's run the application. So let's do the review the code first. Okay, so the first part we declare four number, 1, 2, 3, and biggest number. And after that we use the scanner to receive to listener the value entered by the user from the keyboard. And after that we enter three number for number 1, number 2, and number 3. And after that we do the comparison for three number to find the biggest number. Okay, so now let's try to run the application. You have to enter number 1 5, number 2 is 9, number 3 4. Here, so it will display the largest number between 5, 9, 4 is 9. Okay, cool. Here, it adding space before E. Enter again. Okay, cool. I will enter the number 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And the biggest number is 3. Okay, so here I think that's all for today, and after you finish this video you know how to find the biggest number from the three number in Java. And we allow the user to enter the value from keyboards, and after that we listen the value and do the comparison to find the biggest number. Okay, so hope that video will helpful for you, and see you later. Bye bye.